Hey, what is going on everyone? I'm extremely excited to announce that my latest course, 30 Days of Projects, is finally out now. In this course, we're going to create 30 projects totally from scratch. We're going to create our HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, combine them together for each and every project. Now, I do feel that these projects are only meant for beginners or intermediate web developers who wish to refresh their knowledge. So if you're a beginner and wish to have 30 projects underneath your belt in your portfolio, then please check out this course. Now, as always, for you YouTube followers, I will leave a 4 days coupon code, lowest price coupon code in the description below. And for all of you who saw this video too late, I'll also leave a 31-day coupon code in the description below. And for those of you who just wish to follow me on YouTube and see all my free content, please do so by subscribing to the channel and hitting that notification bell in order to get notified whenever I post new videos. So with this being said, check out the introduction video and see you in the course.